say ni je mama part no ho nsensem ana ewo pono so a bibia e ba no betwe bi no wa mama okwaba e famra attention TV so na nsem e ka yensa ene my two a so ye juma anaso ye juma e wo Adom TV ana Adom FM na we ano so abe video ade abata bontina chiri mu say ye ka so kukuo de okukuo no na kukuo fi so ntimi enkoye aboajamma aboajamwa enso so ya aboajamwa ntimi koye aboakrama so de no asa anote na ebusunyafo ne abrante ya babontia be chiri nso ne de say man evangelist ama pass na se na grada pandia onimnete se form eni bafan enunti mama grada na mama part se okase osambe ko nenchi akoye na grada dia eni ono pande onji hu echi efi se onimne mama part etimi ye papa abrante no akasa be yenko nenkutie no embassy
no, it's not okay.
So one wakofaba.
One wakofaba. Apostle. 18 years. In fact, bro, 18. In fact, about 19 years. And you want to talk some? No problem. I will let you talk some. And ne papa, eba. Trouble. No, this is something people don't know, and sometimes I need to.
They don't need to know.
No. Let me, Mamenka, at least, ebeboa.
Yes.
I check. Na me ton. In fact, me we secondary school. Me try pictures kakra. Me yejuma or com center kakra. And I'm papa. Me nene kasa sisi. Oma miskana fe me shas. In fact, hona misua sante kasa. Me shas ton force. Na me kambuno. Na ufri brekum ebedru kumase na oka bono no a ehunu se ufri achi nti bill no price no ebekọ soro nti ese for so can sante say be ya you belong ye hu say ufri outside na eba nti that is when me sha ase asua asante kasa ene me dia asante kasa ye adwuma na bono na meka me ton broni wawu e wodrobo na posifo bi aba ho se na operation na omo yo whatever nti posi ni ba ko siye na ose opekube kube na auto no baby no obenya bi no guy na say aka last one no obi nso to ba me hwe no me hu say no oyo obi a butumu say opekube no pa na mi say ne say o ma me ntobi wa hamre no say o na ne twi nya papa ka brofo na fe ka ne twi ne broken na me koy na me koto kube na me de bre no ti me de bre no na o say aha na me te na me say o da bi brekum no say de me ye na ye ne fe oye penny pa say no yini ID card and the mommy. No say na aha na mpese me wo na me say o pese me toa me school so. No say enti na me enti ne tintin tietie mu no o ma me ne card and no free ho bank kran ti ye hyase eye ayonko ofre me ebi wo ho na wa send me sika me papa etie me na e bi ane na obehu because ebi wo ho a ya ma me sika no me say akọji bi wo no nso ho bad boy enti na me say na say na me yakora boni ana bi wa na me dia tonchinam ne tea bread na me dia shem na my and through that I'm telling something me ne miracle papa be yes in fact of farm se ne ba training college days no send me sika no o meka ni nyina I will say it like oboa me farm se ne ba those days training college me kai me mate ba kwa friend be di akon wotema enti na me man kran da e na o ka se o ba tema ne papa ho e na me si o meba bi na o si o ye deeper life fo o ba unya TV bi anhwe na me si o those days na deeper life on TV e na me ne ba e na e ko shepo enti ba bi a hye na me si achale na ha se o hwe TV ba unya computer ye wo TV card bi wo ha utumi hyem utumi ahwe TV ni bi na o si o ye enti wona me kai ye se ma bedun kran na me mfre
you know officer
miracle papa officers that time there sana me nyanhia ayikwa ena me friend no say oh wabedun kran dia ena obehia me enti through that ena me di hu ne ba miracle enti like obi a oboa wo school mu or hwe wo ne ade me hu na
susu mo
one count can quite fast oh daddy
there be yeah in fact the ko wie ye ne say apostle Nyensen PM.
Debbie by
So it's been that far.
Wow.
And the father felt betrayed. Say, Obia, me boao, me hear all these things for you. And then I bring you close. And then my only daughter, ne baba kope. My only daughter, you come and put her this way. That was the statement. And ne will ye dupa. Me come and oh yes, dear me ye and dear my ye, but a chain or betty massy. There be a yeah. But the American in Nano, you want me to go step by step? There. Oh, there be that time, dear condom. I said, man, shut that. What should that plan? What should that plan? Oh, yeah, and out of condom. What should that plan? Oh, yeah, and out of condom. Now, emergency, dear, and talk condom. Emergency and talk condom. And see, echo ye, one yem. My yema from the bia. Yes, it da. And one day, and menini di nkomo say chale this is ade we dey akọ no still me dey oh I say me father enya aka say no or yes very strong willed person or ka say no you know. So I was advised say obi a wonyem for you yes akora no enye yem pene ma wo no whatever but find a way and go and do something traditionally enti menene nana edi nkomo. And an advisor say it is the right thing because debi akrano ebe papa whatever the case is whether say ebe kwa kosi sense ebe kwa kosi sense the child will look for the father. Now me say no apart from just introducing myself no me person me sign yen no or directly me to miracle uncle na me ko hu no e no kire me mento we na me toy na me de koy and I went to do that. At that time, a woman, I feel still, no, honor can I say a pemiachimino because a drew baby no still me many a brick diggy. And a papa no society man no pa me kokai and a juma na oye officers is the only child unto me and conquer yenesa. Ntinuna meche wo yabam. So I had to flee kakra. But I saw still not do me. Apart from me don't not because she still had a way of reaching me. This is what is happening. You're careful now. Oh, oh, no, I need to. Oh, Fremia. You bet you. And now me go off. But time on son here. Time on son here. Let me along the line ti asemi you afei makoye adwuma be kuma bedru Fox FM and na father say na braba ye adwuma on one kran na me say Fox and I don't know how our lobby here with Afro Capitola many tie me na ye de me aba enkran Hot FM and I'm be ye adwuma Hot FM ti ne father and lobby ye ma me ba Hot FM that time no
oh afei no janto kwako
or say ne bane de never but ono fi say yes and na me buy me baby a ho badwiu ni me wo Hot FM adwuma and I don't have to go so detailed but another lady came my way as to what the mama go through too much Mate. But what happened they say me san konyim obi No, I need to. The fact is, and let me. I say, Apostle Pacho. Many me no tie. The entire American. And I'm a catcher miracle, Charlie. I feel a masha brana so one cry. One hour boaming kakra because I don't even have money to do a lot of things. Oh, and now sign boame. The Akobeni. When you be him. No, see a new for as some kind of see a new for ta. Me papa no se won penenti sa ba ne sa.
Ate University Foundation na ana sama sana me di jimedi ebe so mo e wa attention TV so wona woni bi e ja ka mo bro ani e hosia ana wo hwe nti wo so kakra na won papa na fa do University e wo 054 8302985 ya ka